Welcome everybody. Today we will be picking the Tri-Circle 265. I know many people have picked these and it doesn't take them long, but unfortunately I don't have a master lock number 3 and I am newish to this, so let's see if we can get this open. Right, in with the wrench. I have picked this a couple of times previous. Let's go in and pay attention. Right, let's go for it then. I may not be talking a great deal while I'm doing this video because, like I say, I am new to this and I have to concentrate a little bit. I don't really know what the binding order of this is. I found that I can't seem to get a pin in one go. I have to have 2 or 3 attempts at it to get the pin set where it needs to be. I could overset something there by the feel of it. Drop a pin, there we go. Better, I can get much better feeling now. I find that sometimes just running the pick over the end of the pins seems to free them if they're stuck slightly. Most of the time this would be open by now, but I'm sure you all realise as soon as the camera comes out. There we go. Eventually opened, not too long. There we go. Tri-Circle 265, made in China. Piece of junk really, but it keeps me practiced. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. The pin. The key pin there is so loose, it's virtually falling out. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody. I'll try and make my videos a little bit more interesting in the future, and thank you all. Peace.